Your CUCM dial plan has hundreds of route patterns, translation patterns, calling search spaces, and partitions. None of that migrates automatically to Webex Calling. A typical CUCM deployment might have 50 to 200 route patterns, dozens of translation patterns for E164 normalization, multiple partitions and calling search spaces for class of service, and route lists pointing to gateways or trunks. This was years of configuration, tuned for your environment. Webex Calling uses a completely different dial plan model. Instead of partitions and calling search spaces, you get location-based routing with dial plans attached per location. Instead of route patterns, you configure PSTN connections through trunks and route groups. The concepts are similar, but the implementation is different enough that you can't just export and import. Here's what usually gets missed: abbreviated dialing between sites, outbound calling restrictions by user class, emergency services routing per location, translation rules for number manipulation. These all have equivalents in Webex Calling, but someone has to map them manually. The right approach: audit your CUCM dial plan first. Document every route pattern, CSS, and partition that's actually in use. Then design the Webex Calling equivalent from scratch based on what you need, not what you had. A blind one-to-one migration will fail. We do this every day. At UC Pivot, we've migrated over 500 enterprise contact centers from CUCM to Webex. Visit ucpivot.com for a free readiness assessment.